part 1 of staying my friend house. So I'm in my friend house, gonna sleep here. Wait. You're just lazy, right? You're lazy? Yeah. Putot. Ha! I'm gonna make I'll make you pregnant. It's just making because you're just lazy. Can you just take a bath, please? Just take a bath, I'll just see your hair. So we're gonna eat at afternoon. So this is Astro. V, I am V, and this is Shelly. I know Sprout, Shelly, and Dandy, and this is my friend V, Astro, and I am V, and my sister is Dandy. I know Sprout. It's Bossy. My sister is Bossy. So say hi to my friends. Big head, Cassie. Just kidding. Kidding ka dun. Kidding ka dun. Big lips. Nice lips. Nice lips. Nice lips. Okay, like. Okay, so we are done. So. Hey, Sarah. Ow. Sorry. You can see your body. Look. Wait, no, copy it off. Look, she has plenty hair. She's so plenty. Let's see you for part 2. I'll just let the vlog show your face, bro. Their name is on a mini vlog. She's cute. Cassie? I thought this is Skinner. Look. I thought this is Skinner. Yeah. Nepal. So you're gonna see us later. Wow. Wow, so beautiful. Yes. Ay ko langot and whoop. Wala yun te. The bug. I'm gonna make you evil. I'm gonna make you evil in Ivy's bed. I'm gonna make you evil in Ivy's bed. See you guys for part 2. Bye guys.